Ian, Cat 1 still 80 miles an hour. It is expected, though, to intensify very quickly as we head into the next 12 to 24 hours. You can see it just south of Cuba, and notice the purple right there, the thunderstorms. They're really starting to wrap around the center of this storm system right there, so it is getting more intense. And in fact, the official forecast calls for it to become a Category 3 as it's working its way across Cuba during the overnight hours tonight. And then notice, as we head towards Wednesday morning, a Category 4 with winds of 140 miles an hour. At that point in time, it is roughly 200 miles to the west of us. Then after that, it's going to make a run up towards northwest Florida, making landfall. This is sometime late Thursday into Friday morning. But notice how it weakens from a Category 4 down to a Category 2. Once it's in this zone right here, there will be wind shear and some drier air. So that's going to weaken the storm system. Once it's on land, then it weakens very quickly. Now, computer models in very good agreement, taking the system across western Cuba, and then some of the computer models then start to diverge. Some keep it just north of Tampa, others take it over towards Apalachicola. So it's somewhere in this zone where it will likely make landfall as we head into late Thursday and into Friday. Now, here's what's new. Again, into Okeechobee County, we now have that tropical storm watch in effect. Otherwise, for the Keys, we have at least the lower Keys, a tropical storm warning, also tropical storm watch for the middle Keys. Then as we head farther north, we have a hurricane watch in effect, and that's for the Tampa Bay area. But for us, at least the counties along the ocean, no watches and warnings. But again, we do have into Okeechobee County a tropical storm watch where you could potentially see winds of around 50 miles an hour or so. All right, so a storm surge watch also in effect from Tampa all the way down towards southern Miami-Dade. That's where we could have a storm surge of 2 to 4 feet for the Keys, up to 5 to 8 feet for the Tampa Bay area. All right, so as far as the possibility of seeing at least tropical storm force winds, about a 40% chance for us into the Palm Beaches. But notice how it's higher for Okeechobee and Sebastian, and then even higher still for the Gulf Coast. Tomorrow, as we start to see waves of thunderstorms roll through, we could be dealing with some severe weather tomorrow, and likewise as we head towards Wednesday. In fact, Wednesday, a slightly better chance we could have strong to severe storms and some tornadoes that may spin on up as well within those feeder bands. Plus, very heavy rainfall in the forecast as those feeder bands move on through. That is tomorrow, that is Wednesday, and into parts of Thursday. Vipercast shows today just some showers and storms around, but then notice here come those feeder bands, and that's when we're going to see that very heavy rainfall. And within these feeder bands, we could have some very strong storms as well. So that's something that we're going to have to watch, and a few isolated tornadoes that may spin on up. Tomorrow, as the storm gets closer, notice the winds starting to pick on up, 20 to 30 mile an hour wind gusts. And then as we head towards Wednesday, wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles an hour. So the farther inland you are, that's where we're going to have the strongest wind gusts and rain, a good soaking rain out of this, anywhere from roughly 3 to 6 inches, maybe a little higher or lower, depending on the final track of this system. If you're going boating today, seas at 1 to 3 feet, but the seas will be increasing as Ian works its way into the Gulf. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, very active weather with those feeder bands moving through.